once you have recorded your video, you are going to respond to 2 classmates this week. So if you, normally it's 3, so this time you get a break and you can do 2. So how you can respond, wanted to show you how to do that. So I created a video here to respond to myself. I'm going to click it, the action, and then I'm going to click my name, and I'm going to watch the video. There's the video. I'm going to go down once I've watched it, and then I can add a comment. So I can record a comment here, or I can write a comment here, either way. So recording a video comment's really quick and easy, and or you can actually write your video comment. So if I record a comment, I'm not able to actually record a comment because I already have my microphone, my camera being used for this video. So once I record a comment, it will ask you if you want to submit it, and you would say yes, and then that is all. So hopefully that helps.